5 minutes in my size 10s, and even less time looking through my eyelids. I started out with like 20, I'm down to 5 friends. Started out with a penny, gunning for 5 cents. Started out with the Henny and then the Kush came. Last time I freaked out and ain't been high since. I'm on the fence, shorty trying to send her rents, but how I'm gonna get caught when I don't even got tents and she don't gotta lose a top. She don't even got tits, so I'm praying that this creepy bus driver don't glimpse I'm rolling. You would think my whip was stolen. In my past life I picked all that cotton in your clothing. I'm swollen like I hit a beehive with a Boeing 737 with my arms to the heavens like drop zone to the block's gone. Can't you tell we ran up out of options? This ain't a choir group, tell the entire truth and let it set you free. We undeniable. We undeniable. We undeniable. We undeniable. Is anybody home? Am I missing some info that I should probably know? Did I overlook a memo that I should have read? Are you saying I should let my secretary go for not letting me know that you're claiming rank over the G.O.D. without a plate of thanks? Paved the way like an Italian laying brakes. So much on like I wild out when I could lay and sit. I've been way legit and way the opposite. Did crime, did time, didn't drop a lip. Did yours, did mine, didn't drop my dick. Did wars, did dimes, never flopped a bit. Hard drive, no floppy disk. Parkside getting sloppy tip. The dark side call me Poppy, rich Poppy Chulo, taking and kudos swinging my. We undeniable.